Welcome to this lecture, which is based on real life example of set difference operation. So example is select all those citizens who have no properties. By using projection operation, we can select name from citizen table minus by name, select also name from property tables. And by using projection operation and set difference operation, we can select all the names who have no properties, and we can solve our real life example. So open XAMPP server. We have two tables in test data, which is first one is citizen. Citizen has 4 records, 4 citizens, and property table has 2 records. And look at the citizen ID, which is 2 and 3. It means that Shujat and Hira have properties, Fahim Irfan and Kashif have no properties. So what will be the query? First of all, create citizen table. Look at the structure of the citizen table is ID, which is the primary key, length is 11, name, city, phone, varchar 30, 100 and 30. And also look at the structure of the property table. ID is auto increment, citizen is the foreign key with 11 length, city is the varchar with 100 length, and postcode varchar 30. So select the database, go to the console and write the query, which is select ID from table name is citizen, where ID not in select citizen according to property table, attribute name is citizen ID, citizen ID from property table. So copy the query and execute the query. So 2 records are selected according to our plan. And also you can select ID, name, city, which is the projection, execute the query, and 2 citizens are selected have no properties. So one is Fahim Irfan and Kashif. So if I go to property table and I want to add another record for citizen is Kashif, and property city is ABC, and postcode is whatever. Insert the record and execute the query again with ID, name and city. Now execute the query, and only one record is selected because Kashif has also a property which is located in property table and city is ABC. So thank you for watching this video.